Hi everyone, so I'm back today with another video. Showing this again. I've lost a journal somewhere. Hang on, where's that gone? Anyway, I done a video last night which I've taken down, and it was to let everybody know that I had put my journals into my new Etsy store. So anyway, I put my listings on there and I noticed I was getting messages popping up. To me it looked genuine. I haven't used Etsy to sell in a long time, so things had changed, and you know, when I signed up for my shop, it obviously asked for your bank details for Etsy payment scheme or whatever it is, and these messages were coming up saying, oh, we just need to confirm so that obviously, you know, when you get your first sale the money will go through, no problem. And it was late. I've been really busy all day. I wasn't thinking straight. I feel stupid for falling for it, but I did. Anyway, I put in my bank details, not realising that I was kind of putting in the wrong bank details that they were asking. They wanted my big long number and my my 3-digit security number. I just, honestly, I did not think anything like wrong. Anyway, then I get messages from my online banking to say that they felt that there was suspicious activity trying to take money out of my account. So I went on there and then I found the helpline up and explained, and then when I looked back on Etsy, there was like 6, 7, 8 of these messages, all from different people asking for the same thing. They were literally asking me to confirm, verify my bank details, and I thought, oh no, this is a scam. How Etsy are allowing this to happen, why their system isn't secure enough to stop this crap from happening, I do not know. So I've been left with the dilemma last night of like a massive headache, to take everything off of Etsy again. Luckily I didn't have loads of stuff on there, so it's all off of Etsy. I will not be using it to sell. I think it's disgusting how that can happen. You don't get that on any other website. You don't get it on eBay, as somebody said to me, and I thought, you know what, spot on. Yeah, you get people that fake sell, but you always get your money back because you pay securely through PayPal. Anyway, I did make one sale on there, which, because I've had to freeze my bank card, I can't refund the money. So I've asked the lady, I've sent her an email. You know who you are. If you're watching this, I hope you are. You bought the set of 6 tags that I'd put on there yesterday. I've sent you an email to your Gmail account and I have let you know what happened, and for you to cancel the order because I can't do it. Can't do it because my card's cancelled. I'm certainly not adding another card, which Etsy have asked me to do. Add another card, and I was like, get lost. I'm not adding no more of my details to that. When I use Etsy to buy things, I use PayPal. I never pay by card. I always use PayPal because, one, I know it's secure. I've never ever had a problem with PayPal. So for me, Etsy is out the window. I know it's great for other people. I did give them a bashing the other week, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to use them temporary till my website's finished. And boy, what a hassle that was. So anyway, these journals are now back on my coffee shop. I'll put a link to them. There's another one. I don't know what I've done with it. I put them high up on a shelf because I started clearing up last night. It's probably just slept. I don't know where it's gone. Oh yeah, I see it. Oh, I see it. Hang on, I'll get it. There we go, it's that one. So these 4 journals are now back on my coffee shop. Sorry about all the confusion. I feel stupid having to do this, but I was really shocked when I posted about this on Facebook and I posted it on YouTube, and people were saying similar things happened to them. Other people were telling me that they wouldn't do that. They closed the store down because of similar things. So yeah, these journals. So we've got the big chunky nature journal, the love themed journal, would be great for weddings, anniversaries, engagements, you name it. My little eclectic journal, all the links will be below, and then this flip-flop journal. Yeah, I'm exhausted. And of course this morning when I tried to like cancel and refund the one order that I got yesterday, and I was so happy when I got that order. I thought, oh, that's really nice, I got my first order on Etsy. And then the proverbial shit hit the fan. I don't like swearing, but there you go. The crap hit the fan. And I feel really bad that I can't even refund that, and I think that is a wrong thing, because the money hasn't even gone to that account, because they hold it for a week, don't they? And Etsy have got that money, making a profit out of it, making you know, interest on the money sitting in their account somewhere. And I think that's diabolical as well. So yeah, I mean, I will buy off of Etsy to support the people that, you know, that sell the digital kits and stuff like that. I'll support them. They've been long-term like Etsy sellers, but definitely won't be using it to sell ever again. I might even use eBay. I used to use eBay all the time. But yeah, right, enough about me whinging. I just wanted to let you know, that's the door shut. Just wanted to let you know that everything's back on the coffee shop for now. Yeah, and I'm gonna list some digitals, the ones that I was putting on Etsy. I'm gonna put them onto the coffee shop as well. So I had even put up last night a couple of little de-stash boxes, which I've got to do separate videos for them because I was talking about Etsy in it. So I'll do them later on and put them up, and I've got other stuff that I'm going to be listing, and everything's just going to be on the coffee for now. So bye for now, have a good day.